On April 8th, 2024, here in the United States, we're going to experience a total solar eclipse. This is something that many people have been waiting years for. Some people are saying this right now is their vacation. They're going to take time away from work, away from school. They're going to travel to certain places here in the United States, according to reports. We're going to experience a total solar eclipse in 50 states. 50 states will be able to see completed darkness for about 4 minutes. However, we're also getting reports that we should be concerned. They are now issuing warnings. Mayors and governors have both stated that they are warning their residents to be prepared. We're going to see Navood Nafuel, possibly now Ader. And in all this, we'll experience longer wait times in emergency rooms. And there will be increased traffic in some cities that really can't afford it. I'm going to break down what's going on and explain why they're so concerned and what you should do moving forwards. So we'll get to that in just a moment. I ask is one thing, takes 2 seconds. Go ahead, hit that like button if I inch. Boy,